Does your living room feel too small? Don't worry. With a few smart tricks, you can make even the tiniest space look bigger, brighter, and more stylish. In this video, I'll share 10 simple decor hacks that can completely transform your living room. And make sure to watch till the end, because hack number 10 is a real game changer. Hack number 1. Use light colors. Dark walls can make a room feel closed in, but soft colors like white, beige, or light gray open up the space and make it feel airy. Hack number 2. Add mirrors. Mirrors reflect both light and space, creating the illusion of a much larger room. One big mirror can make a huge difference. Hack number 3. Choose multifunctional furniture. Think of a coffee table with storage, or a sofa that turns into a bed. These save space and keep your room practical. Hack number 4. Use vertical storage. Shelves that go up the wall, or tall bookcases, draw the eye upward and make your room feel taller. Hack number 5. Use rugs to define areas. A rug under your sofa and coffee table makes the seating area feel separate and organized. Hack number 6. Go for hidden storage. Ottomans, side tables, or even sofas with hidden compartments are perfect for keeping things tidy without taking up extra space. Hack number 7. Add layered lighting. Don't just rely on one ceiling light. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and wall lights to create a cozy atmosphere and a feeling of depth. Hack number 8. Use floating furniture. Wall-mounted shelves or TV units free up the floor, making the room look lighter and more spacious. Hack number 9. Go transparent. Glass coffee tables or acrylic chairs blend into the background, making your living room feel open instead of crowded. Hack number 10. Add one statement piece. It could be a bold artwork, a unique lamp, or a colorful chair. One standout item makes your small space look stylish and intentional. So there you have it. 10 simple hacks to transform a tiny living room into a cozy, stylish space. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home decor ideas every week.